pick up the scanner on the monitor stand. You're ready to start scanning. Hold the scanner handle, click the grip button and hold it while scanning. You'll hear music while you're scanning. If the music stops suddenly, then you're too far from the jaw and you need to get closer. Once you start scanning the patient's teeth, the model reconstruction will appear on the Copulla screen. If you lose the scanner during the process, pick up and hold the scanner handle again. Click the grip button and hold it while scanning. Buckle. Turn to the buccal side, scan at 45 degrees from the third molar on this side to that of the other side. Scan the palate. Scan from the third molar to an incisor from the lingual side. Then scan from the hard palate to the soft palate in S-type. Check to see if the scanned image is integrated and scan again for disintegrated areas. Well done! You've successfully scanned the patient's teeth into the Copulla system. On the screen, you can see the jaw model you scanned and adjust the angle to view. Now, let's upload the scan to the system. To upload the scan, click the V button on the Copulla screen. To confirm that your file was successfully uploaded to the Copulla system, click the Export button. Once it's done, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Upload complete.